Hello, I'm Noelia. Sorry, I'm Carlitos. No, Patricio.
Yes, I'm Noelia.
Sí.
So this class, we will work with the circularity, the
Yes.
beginning of the circularity, how to lead and follow a circular movement.
Yes.
Yeah,
exactly.
as we saw in the technique
Technique.
classes, we did it, but
Noelia's
by
Technique
our
Classics.
Yes, we did it, but by ourselves. Now, Carlitos, as I explain how to react and how to do a circular movement, Carlitos is gonna explain how to lead it.
We're gonna lead it in the same way that she's doing in this case. In this case, okay. So we're gonna work as a mirror. In this case, just an example. So we're gonna take again Noelia's lessons, and then you're gonna take the other one, the technique lessons. From here, we're gonna start to build a spiral in the body from up to down. Yes.
Yeah, the difference is that now you leaders, because you want to lead this, you have
Yes.
to project it.
Project it.